The United States has imposed sanctions on Myanmar school leaders. India and China agreed to pull back their troops from the disputed Himalaya Lake area. 26 Taliban and ISIS militants were killed in the Air Force strike in Nangarhar, Afghanistan. Amnesty International has called India to immediately stop crackdown on farmers and journalists protesting against the recently introduced farm law. President Biden and Xi hold first phone call amid tense US-China relation. Pakistan successfully test-fired 450 range Babur cruise missile.